Slo Adventures. We are back out at the Backyard Bass Pond, and today we are going to be giving y'all a quick update of the Backyard Bass Pond. The pond has matured a lot and has grown into this beautiful, amazing ecosystem, and today we're going to be giving y'all an update. So as well as giving y'all an update on the Backyard Bass Pond, we are also going to be feeding all the bass some big live shiners that we got at our local bait store called Benny's Bait and Beer. And we're actually be doing a review video in a few videos from now on his awesome little tackle shop. And I can't wait. If you guys haven't already done this, make sure you smash the subscribe button, like this video, and please share my channel. We have some awesome content coming out on this channel. In our next video, we have a giant adventure plan. So first off is, I know I teased this in my old school versus new school fishing lure challenge, but we actually built a little 15-foot bridge over the Backyard Bass Pond, and there's two main reasons why we built it. The first reason that we built it is because back in that corner is where all my circuits and outlets are. They keep all the pumps and jets and aerators in the pond running. And I used to be able to get back behind the pond, behind that little rock wall, but these two plants went so crazy that I couldn't get back there anymore. So we built an awesome little bridge. Then, as y'all can see, we have this little black PVC pipe going down and is actually screwed into the bridge. And the reason for this is because we live in South Texas and it is summer, the algae is so crazy and the water temp gets so high, and that is not good for your water temp to be high for your fish. We've actually had it about 90 degrees. But with this pipe, we actually put a giant beach umbrella in the afternoon when it gets hot, and it keeps the water temp at about 75 degrees, which not only keeps the algae way down, but keeps the water temp way cooler for all the fish. Then, if you guys haven't seen the DIY Bass Pond Part 3 video, I'll have it linked in the description below as well. But it was a very just bland pond at first. But like I said, our pond has matured a lot. And look at all the live plant growth, not only in the pond, but also around the pond. We have live plants there, and pretty much all around the pond. And then we even have some plants in the biofalls that have spread and gone crazy, which is really, really awesome. They look really pretty in there. Just one more thing before we jump into feeding all the pet bass is comment down below what other types of fish species y'all want to see in this pond. My dream has always been to either have a channel catfish or an alligator gar in here, or both. But once more, comment down below what other types of species of fish y'all want to see in here. Okay, so you have some hungry bass and a bunch of giant shiners. Let's go ahead and feed them.
It's time to open up your ears. Don't be contained by ideas. It's time to let go of all your fears. Time to wipe away all those tears. I've been living under a rock for so long that I forgot the heat of the sun. Yeah. The heat of the sun. The heat of the sun, yeah. Forgot the heat of the sun. So I buried my head in the sand. Say ignorance is bliss. Well, I'd had enough of this. I was living under a rock for so long.
Okay, although I love hand feeding the fish, we do also like to release a few up shallow in what I like to call a minnow sanctuary to let them survive and kind of breathe.
Did I ever get from this place? Did you ever see the look on my face? Dark clouds hanging over me. Well, I needed to be set free. I was living under a rock for so long that I forgot the heat of the sun. Yeah, the heat of the sun.
Thank you all so much for watching, and once more, comment down below what other types of fish species y'all want to see in this pond. And in the next video, we have another awesome fishing adventure coming back in Port O'Connor, Texas. I can't wait to see y'all next time on Hudson's Fishing Adventures. Bye.
The sun, forgot the heat of the sun.